What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Perfect Vision Bully Kennel. Miss PVBK checking in, and y'all, I finally got the big news everybody been waiting for. Sapphire has officially been bred. You heard it. Sapphire has officially been bred, and we bred her to now champion Joshua. Woo! Joshua is one of very few two-time Sampson inbred, grand champion Sampson inbred sons out of Bully. Well, he is by way of Bully Barn, but he now resides at SBG Kennel. Y'all were so excited. Joshua got his championship taken care of over the weekend at the ABKC show here in Arlington. So it's official, y'all. We are now 10 days in, waiting on confirmation, but we done it, y'all. Check out this video. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all are excited as I am. Yes. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. And as always, much love from Miss PVBK and the whole PVBK family. God bless y'all.
Waymaker, yeah, you are. Yes, Lord. You're the light in the dark, my God. Say, you are here, turning lives around. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, mending every heart. I worship you all over this room. I worship you. Lord, you are a waymaker. Say, come on. Say it. Lighting the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Declare the truth all over this room. Say, waymaker, yeah, you are Lord. You're a promise keeper. Light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. That is who